The VEVOR LT4-77 4-burner cooktop offers strong radiant heating across 4 zones, giving home cooks enough power to handle everything from gentle simmering to fast boiling on a single surface. Its smooth glass ceramic top heats evenly and responds quickly, so pans come up to temperature fast, and you can move between low and high heat without frustrating lag. The slide-style touch controls feel intuitive and allow precise adjustments for each burner, with a practical timer and pause function that make multitasking much easier during busy meals. Because it works well with common cookware materials such as aluminum, copper, cast iron, and many stainless steel pans, you are unlikely to need a whole new set of pots to use it effectively. Multiple safety features, including residual heat indicators, overheat monitoring, automatic shutoff, and a child lock, provide welcome peace of mind in households with children or older family members. The built-in design with a compact 24-inch footprint fits neatly into standard cutouts, giving the kitchen a clean, modern look while freeing up surrounding counter space.